This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home in Monte Carmelo with views of Culebra and St. Thomas in the distance. Beautiful, beautiful home. Beautiful, beautiful views, about 1/3 of an acre. This is the porch on essentially what is the back of the house. Kitchen area. Beautiful tiles. Large master bedroom, closet, bath, glass blocks. And this would be the living area. And guest bedroom and bath, full bath. Front porch, 2 gates. And a two-car garage, right? 2 small cars or 1 big car. Great storage.